Hello from Carrie with Woodinville Wine Blog. I'm here at the recently burned Vivi Pizzeria here in Woodinville in the Hollywood district. I just took a tour of the inside. The fire started in the back, possibly an air conditioner unit went awry. The bad news is the dining room is destroyed. It smells like smoke. It's under repair. But the kitchen has survived. So they are rebuilding, repairing, getting ready to reopen. If they can get the kitchen signed off, then we'll be eating in the tent like we have been all along anyway. So I wanted to come out and show you kind of what's going on here at one of our favorite restaurants in Woodinville. When we're tasting wine, we like to come out here for salads, pizza, and pasta. In the summer, they used to have gelato. I'm looking forward to them reopening. This is a local family-owned business. They are doing everything they can to retain their employees, which are like family members. They are trying to pay them for their lost wages. To that end, that's not covered by insurance. So Woodinville Wine Country and Patterson Cellars have set up a GoFundMe for the restaurant employees to have some money to tide them over. They all want to get working here again. They want to stay part of the VV family. I hope we can help them out. Here at Woodinville Wine Blog, we donated to the GoFundMe. We're looking forward to returning to Vivi Pizzeria as soon as possible, and we are more than happy to eat in a tent yet again. We're used to it. Thanks, pandemic. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to Woodinville Wine Blog. We're on all the social platforms. We like to bring you updated news on what's going on. We prefer to bring you happy news, but today this is a really serious issue affecting one of our small local woman-owned businesses. Thanks for watching.